Hey there, online marketing enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Google Ads conversion tracking and how it can skyrocket your ROI in 2024. Google Ads conversion tracking is an essential tool that enables you to measure the performance of your ads and improve your return on investment ROI. By tracking the actions users take after clicking on your ads, you can measure the success of your campaigns and optimize them for better results. To get started with conversion tracking, sign up for a free Google Ads account and navigate to the Setup tab. From there, create a conversion action, be it a purchase, a sign up, or even a phone call. Google will provide step-by-step instructions on how to install the conversion code on your website. Once that's done, you can start tracking your conversions in real time. Google Ads will display detailed reports, including cost data and ROI metrics, so you can make data-driven decisions to optimize your ad campaigns. By continuously monitoring and improving your campaigns based on conversion data, you can significantly increase your ROI and achieve better results from your online marketing efforts. And that's what it's all about, making every dollar count. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing insights. Until next time, happy converting!